everyone goes on and on and on about a balanced diet. But do we really know how to make a balanced plate? Good nutrition nurtures. But good nutrition must be all-rounded so that your body gets everything it needs. And making this complete rounded effort doesn't really have to be very difficult. The 5 fingers of nutrition is a very easy method to teach adults as well as children how to get the all-rounded benefit of every nutrient in every meal. To make a balanced diet, we must make sure that we have all the nutrients into each meal. There are 3 macronutrients, proteins, carbs and fats, and 2 micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. The sum being the most important, and therefore this depicts the carbs, because these are the energy givers that give you the battery to run the entire day. Proteins, extremely important for growth, wear and tear and repair. Fats, essential for your brain cell activity. Now these 2 little fingers, vitamins and minerals, they go hand in hand. Required in very little amounts, but are extremely important to make sure that these major nutrients are doing their job. So together, we make a fist, which is very effective way to punch out every health problem that may come our way. In the next video, we're going to be teaching you various examples of how you can make a fist at breakfast, lunch and dinner. Until then, don't skew towards any one nutrient. Make sure you eat a balanced plate and pack a punch.